Hello viewers, welcome to this video and today we are going to execute a new project representation. This project is done by two members, one of Navneet, that's me, and another is one of my friend, Miss Anjali. Now she will describe the dataset tool that we are using in this project. She will also describe the deep information of this project approach. After explanation of her, I will continue.
My name is Anjali. Me and my friend Navneet is going to represent about machine learning project. This project is about a street light of road energy saving while maintaining safety and visibility. We used Weka for accessing the dataset we have made. Weka is a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. The algorithms can either be applied directly to dataset or called from Java code. We used NaiveBayes classifier in our code. First of all, we have to import Weka file for access the Weka libraries and classes. We uses a data file format called ARFF attribute relation file format. It is a file consists of a list of all the instances with the attributes values for each instance being separated by commas, and this is our data set we have already made, and this is the format of saving the data set in ARFF format, and this is our attribute. We have a 5 attribute: weather, time, light, road traffic and power. Weather have 3 types of values: sunny, rain and overcast, and time have 2 values: day and night. Day means it is going to represent as 5:30 am to 6:30 pm, and night is going to represent as before the 5:30 am and after the 6:30 pm. Light have 2 values off and on, and it is going to be depends upon weather and time. Light means it means the street light. Road traffic have 2 values, yes and no, and it is independent. It is not going to depend upon any other attributes. If the road traffic is yes, that means there is a road traffic, and no, that means there is no road traffic. Power have 3 values: no, high and low. If the power is no, that means there is no light, and if the power is high, that means there is a light and there is a traffic. If the power is low, that means light is on but there is no traffic. And this is the format of the dataset saving in ARFF format. And this is our data. This is our Java code. We have already imported the Java packages and Weka packages. For accessing these packages, we have to access the Weka Java file and other files. In the first line, we are going to load the data set. And this is the location we have saved our data set. And second line is going to train the data set which is loaded. And this is the second line, we are already training the data set. And in this line we are going to set class index to the last attribute, which is power of light. and in this line we are going to build a model. NaiveBayes have a Bayes formula for execute the model, and this line is going to print each attribute model. We have a 5 attributes: weather, time, light, road traffic and power, and each attribute is going to print their model basis of NaiveBayes, and this line is going to print the model of a NaiveBayes.
So now rest part of the approach of this project algorithm is represented by me. Now from here we load the particular location of dataset where files are stored using the instance method and load the value into source 1 instance. Now using getDataset method, it will take the value of dataset from the file. After that, using NaiveBayes theorem, program will predict value with the help of actual dataset value. Now value will print using system.out.println function. In this method, pass two parameters, that is actual class and predicted. It will show output of the prediction. Now, with the help of NaiveBayes approach, we solve the prediction. Start for loop with the integer type of variable I. That initialized value of I is 0 and train the dataset value using this method. If the value satisfy, then calculate the predicted value using test dataset.instance method.class value and pass the value of I into test dataset.instance member function. After that, calculated value load into actual value. Actual value is the double type identifier. Actual is a string type of identifier. It will take the value of actual dataset from the Weka tool. Now print the actual dataset string output of illumination of street light. Now here a make of new object, new inst from instance class. After that, using this method, predictive value is calculated. nb.classify instance is a method. It will calculate the predictive value output from dataset and assign the value into pred value. Pred value is a double type of identifier. Using pred value, the predictive value will calculate it and store it into pred string identifier. Pred string identifier is identifier type, string type of identifier. It will store predictive value. Now print the predicted value. Now I am executing the program. Here is a dataset: weather, time, light, road, traffic, with all type of light illumination, that is no illumination, low illumination and high illumination. And here is the predictive output with the actual dataset. We will improve some features. NaiveBayes classifier has a limited option for parameter tuning like alpha equals to 1 for smoothing, fit underscore period equals to true false, to learn class period probabilities or not, and some other options. We would recommend to focus on our pre-processing of data and the feature selection. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.